What's up, y'all? Welcome back to New Era TV. Subscribe if you haven't already. Like the video. It helps push us into the algorithm. Turn on your notifications and share the video. If you want to donate to the channel, the Cash App will be pinned in the comments. Let's get into this. We back with another major update, and this one has the whole courtroom locked in. We talking about Sean Diddy Combs and the high-stakes trial that has had twists, turns, and tension from the jump. Now things just got even way more worse for old boy, because the jurors sent in their 6th note to the judge since deliberations began yesterday. Yeah, 6 notes, y'all, in less than 2 days. Let me break down exactly what's happening, why it matters, and what could be coming next. Yo, the courtroom was buzzing today. Lawyers from both sides filed in quick as soon as the juror's latest note hit the judge's desk. Diddy came back into the courtroom standing, surrounded by his defense team. They formed a half circle around him, shoulders tight, eyes low, voices low. A few of his attorneys even hugged each other. You could tell the weight of this thing is starting to press down heavy on everybody. Because on the other side, the prosecution sat calmly, quietly, but nobody's relaxed in this room. Everyone knows what's at stake. So here's what the juror told the judge. They reached a verdict on 4 of the 5 charges, but when it comes to the biggest charge of them all, racketeering, they're stuck. According to the note, some jurors hold unpersuadable views. In plain English, there's a serious disagreement in the jury room, and no one's budging. Not yet. Now the lawyers for both sides, prosecution and defense, told the judge the same thing. Let them keep going. Nobody wants a mistrial or a hung jury, especially not on count 1. Now when jurors get stuck like this, the judge has a tool he can use. It's called the Allen charge, or what some call the dynamite charge. It's basically the judge telling the jurors, keep trying, keep talking, work it out. The prosecution said they'd be open to something like that, but maybe not the full version. Just a message encouraging more deliberation without putting too much pressure on anyone. Judge Soberanium told both sides to write up their suggestion and send them to his chambers. From there, he'd figure out the right message to give the jurors. So why is this racketeering charge such a big deal? Because RICO cases are serious and complicated. To convict Diddy under the RICO Act, the jury has to agree on 4 key elements: that there was some kind of enterprise involved, criminal in nature, that 2 or more people agreed to participate in that enterprise, that Diddy willingly joined in and committed 2 crimes as part of it, and that the action affected interstate or international commerce. That's a lot to agree on. One juror not convinced on even one of those points, that could be enough to block a guilty verdict on the RICO. Here's another wrinkle. The courthouse is closed Thursday and Friday for the 4th of July holiday. So if this jury doesn't make progress soon, things could stall for a few days. That's why the judge gently pushed them to keep going, reminding them to stay open-minded, encouraging them to keep talking. He also told them it's okay to change their opinion if the conversation leads them there, but only if they're truly convinced. They were sent back to the jury room, but minutes later, another note. They said they were done for the day, so the judge brought them back into court, dismissed them formally, and reminded them once again, keep an open mind. Then he thanked them for all their hard work. Deliberation will be picked up again first thing in the morning. Let's break down what Combs is actually facing. Count 1, racketeering, conspiracy, RICO, the one they can't agree on. 2 and 3, trafficking by force, fraud, or coercion. Count 4 and 5, transportation to engage in prostitution. Diddy has strongly denied all these accusations, but the jury has now reportedly reached a decision on 4 of them. We don't know what the verdicts are yet, but we know the only charge they're still deliberating is count 1. That means whatever decision they made on the other 4 charges, it's locked in, and those verdicts could be revealed soon. Now, here's where I turn it over to you, the audience. I want to hear from y'all. Hear what y'all think. Based on everything y'all heard so far, what do you think the jury decided for counts 2 through 5? Do you think Diddy's gonna walk on these charges? What about count 1, the racketeering charge? With jurors deadlocked, do you think they'll eventually reach a verdict? Or is this one heading for a hung jury? Drop your predictions in the comments right now. This case is far from over, and tomorrow could bring some more major developments. Whether it's a full verdict, a split decision, or more drama in the deliberation room, you already know. We'll be here covering it all. So if you haven't already, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss what comes next. This story is big, and we only just getting started. I'm out for now, but I'll be back tomorrow with the next episode. Stay sharp, stay tuned, and let me know what y'all think. Peace.